so we got something new on the channel to review. Got a pair of headsets that I got online that are really nice. I think you might like it. It's pretty cheap and it comes with a lifetime warranty. So you new to the channel, stick around, subscribe, and we test out different things on the channel, different games, items, and devices. So as you can see, it's a black case called Capoxo, if I'm saying it right. And you know, so headset. Now, yeah, what's so different from this headset from the rest? Well, I'm gonna show you right quick. First, I'm gonna get the unboxing done, and then I'm gonna show you what's all in here. So, continue on from there. So, back to the box. So, we got the headset, but before we get to that, let's go over and see what's under the box. Got a little, thing right here. I'm gonna clear the camera up for you guys to see. We come out, pull this out. It's a wireless headset, sport headset. You get the user manual. And then on the inside, of course, you would have the box, which you already see is outside. And then you get the little tab where it shows you, hey, you get a warranty, lifetime warranty. If anything damages, you got 14 days to go to that website. And of course, you got some accessories in here, which you got charging cable and some earbud parts, so that way in case you want to swap the earbuds out, you're good to go. So let's get this on out the way. Let me show you what's on the inside of it. So inside, you have, wrong side open. You got a front screen LED on the front. It tells you what the how much charge it is on this, and it also tells you how much charge is on the headset, so earpiece itself. As you can see on the inside, you open them up. The earpiece, as you can see, 99% was charged on right now because I used them this morning. But as you can see, these are the earbuds you put them in your ear, and they're really nice. You know, for what they are really nice. They're loud, they're quiet, they're noise canceling, and the fact that you can wireless charge is pretty nice on them. And then you also got where you can charge it up from this end if you don't want to use the wireless charge or you don't have one. That's where the cable comes from. And then you have this side, which is USB-A, and it shows that you can charge up your phone or tablet or anything like that. So it's also a power bank. So you can use this as your earpiece, and then while they're out your box and stuff like that, then you can use them as a power bank to your phone, so you keep your phone charged and still be listening to music. And it's supposed to be up to 120 hours. So I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you on the wireless charger. I'm gonna put it on the wireless charger real quick, show you that it does wireless charge, and I'm gonna show you where to get them from, and go from there. Now, as you can see, it is wirelessly charging. It is on the, see, as you can see, it's 99%. This blue dot. I got this wireless charger from Walmart for about 10, 12 bucks. So, if you see one, it's got a clock on it, blah, 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 and it wireless charge with 5 watts. So it don't charge that fast. But as you can see, it does wirelessly charge. As you can tell, the number was blinking. The light is blue on here. Now, you can always use any wireless charger you get on Amazon or anywhere else. But, this was pretty cheap. I just wanted to get something cheap, easy, so I can charge it, As you can show you, it's going to turn red. Yep, so that shows you that it was charging the device. And I put it back on, it turns blue. Make sure you get on there right, because sometimes this charger won't work right, sometimes it don't. Oh, there you go, and it turns blue. And it shows that it is charging the device. But there you go. Now I'm finna show you where you can get the device at, and I'll probably put the link down at the bottom so that way if you want to get it, I think it's worth it because the headphones are really loud, the noise canceling, wireless charge, is a power bank, and it runs really good. Hopefully they will be sending me some more stuff because I did get an email from them, and maybe we can test some more of their items and see if they're worth as good as this one. To me, this one's really good, and like I said, for a lifetime warranty, you really can't beat that, especially when they get damaged or wet and all that, or you drop the earpiece, which is going to be hard to drop that earpiece because, it goes around your ear, and it's seamlessly on your ear. So, let me show you where you can get the stuff from, and then we'll continue on from there. Now, as I was previously talking about in the video, this is the Capoxo or whatever how you say it, wireless earbuds, 5.3, 120 hours playtime, 2600 milliamp power display wireless charger headset. Right, yeah, all right, we ain't reading no more. Anyway, as you can see, this is the ones I got, the same exact pair. They're nice, they fit around your ear, they're comfortable, they don't hurt, they're loud, they're, you know, you can hear it, you can have noise cancellation, you don't really hear it. As you seen, I showed you it wirelessly charged, or we'll show you in the video wirelessly charged. I don't know what part I'm gonna put this in, but anyway, you see, you get the time. Charge time is not bad. Wireless charge, you can charge your USB-C, and emergency power bank for your mobile phone. So if you need some power, boom, there you go, you good. Designed for workouts, so you sweat resistance. Got 3 pairs of ear tips in the box, as it showed on the box, and then of course it shows you how you use your on-demand buttons and all that. And then it comes with D8 as the parent, but you know, and then of course they got a video on Amazon. But when I go, as I said, $29.99, $30, lifetime warranty. You see, it's 5 out of 5 stars. It's hardly, but maybe 1% of customer reviews are not really good. But for the most part, most customers, including myself, you know, I left a review. But I'm gonna leave an honest review. I'm not gonna sit there and lie to you. Don't have no reason to. Like I said, if the headphones are trash, the headphones trash. They're good, they're good, and they're really good. For all the songs that I played, listened to it for the few days I have had it, they are really nice. And then they got other brand types of other types they also have on their website that you can go to their website or get it from Amazon. But they also, I mean, you see there's different designs. You don't have to get the ones I got. You can get these. You can get those. I mean, they're all their brand. Still top tier headsets, top tier earbuds. So the ratings prove it. 1,200 people, 5 stars, 90% rating. That's pretty good. 83% rating. So I mean, I'm not gonna tell you something. I always go for the best for myself, and you know, I want to show you guys the best things. So like I said, I'm gonna have the link in the description, so that way you guys can get your pair. And yeah, back to the previous video. Alright, so I showed you where to get it from, what it is, and how well they are. Now, I can't show you the decibels and how loud they get. I wish I could. I don't have a reader to test that type of stuff. But, you know, I'll try to find a way to get it where I can start testing volume on stuff, things like that. But until then, I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't sit there and tell you no lies. I don't have no reason to lie about it. If I know something working, it works really good, I'm going to tell you. If it don't work, I'm going to tell you it don't work. Don't get it. So, you know, at the end of the day, I think these are really good headsets for the price, and like I said, the fact that you get a lifetime warranty, you won't even have to buy another pair of headsets ever again. So try them out yourself if you want to. The link will be down at the bottom, and as always, guys, hope you have a good day, and until the next video, peace.